this creative affair, let's invoke the light of knowledge, of wisdom, and of art. Through the lighting of the lamp, I request our respected dignitary, Dr. Anil Bansali, to kindly step forward and light the lamp. I also request Mr. B. Malhotra, Mr. Madan Lal, Mr. Ravinder Kumar Sharma to kindly come forward and light the lamp. So I request Mr. B. Malhotra, Chairperson, Chandigarh Lalitkala Academy, to kindly enlighten us with his words.
Respected Shri Anil Bansali ji, Professor and Head Department of Endocrinology, and Shri हमारे सौरभ कुमार जी जो आज आने वाले थे, हमारे अनदर गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर, वो किसी वजह से नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, उनका मुझे मैसेज आया है. एंड city artists, art lovers, students, so I welcome all of you from core of my heart. तो आज का जो एग्जीबिशन है, मेमोरीज ऑफ स्टोन, आई थिंक बड़ी रेयर एग्जीबिशन है, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं लगता कि शहर में स्टोन लिथोग्राफी के ऊपर इस स्केल के ऊपर इतनी बड़ी एग्जीबिशन हुई है. तो इसके लिए संजय जी मैं आपको कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करता हूँ कि आपने, और मेरे ख्याल से मैं सिटी में कह रहा हूँ, मेरे ख्याल से इंडिया में भी स्टोन लिथोग्राफी के ऊपर काम करने वाले बहुत कम आर्टिस्ट हैं. अगर होंगे भी तो इस साइज में करना इटसेल्फ ए चैलेंजिंग. कितनी फ्रीडम है काम में, कितना आदमी इंजॉय करता है काम को देख के. जो इन्होंने इंक्स का एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, जो इंक्स और पेपर का जो एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है, जैसे इन्होंने फ्रांस चाइनीज़ पेपर यूज किया है, इंक्स यूज किए हैं, मैक्सिको, जर्मनी और थाईलैंड की इंक्स यूज किए हैं. तो जो ये नहीं कि इंक्स इन्होंने बाहर की खरीदी हैं, उनमें जो इनकी जो सेंस ऑफ एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन है, वो एक अपने आप में एक बड़ा यूनिक फीचर है इनके काम में. तो सर आप हमारे देश की सेवा कर रहे हैं, हमारे चंडीगढ़ की सेवा कर रहे हैं, हमारे तो वी फील प्राउड ऑफ यू सर. और आज मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम किसी हमारे एग्जीबिशन में कोई पीजीआई से डॉक्टर आए हैं, वो भी मेरे को आज बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, मतलब कि सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर एवरीथिंग अगेन.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words and valuable insights. Well, words, what can I say about words when Kipling said it all? Give me a pen and a paper and you can see me turn the world upside down. And so I now take the honor to invite our guest of honor, Dr. Anil Bansali, to share with us his words of wisdom. Sir, can we have you here?
At the outset, I feel honored and privileged to be here as a guest of honor for this program. And I feel very special to be among the fraternity of the artists. I think for the first time I have been here, and I really enjoy to be here and to see that your world is very, very different. I heartily congratulate Sanjay ji for his blessed and wonderful paintings which he has made during his residency program in various countries, and I think he has promoted this sort of art which is not prevalent in our country. And as I have been told that it's a very difficult art, very difficult to make, as well as very few people in the country, they do practice this type of art. So he deserves very heartily congratulations for this, to making an innovative approach in our country. And I am not an inborn artist, but I love art. And I think that God has also blessed me to have a potential to art the people, art the life of the people in general. So we usually also touch the life of the people. We always feel that this type of soothing to the people, what we provide, is also blessed and has blossomed in other people to cherish their dreams. That is very important, and what we try to do that. Same, I think your word, the people in your fraternity, what they are doing for the community, society and the country. And I remember one share of Bashir Badr कि आँखों में रहा दिल में उतर कर नहीं देखा, कि आँखों में रहा दिल में उतर कर नहीं देखा, कि किश्ती के मुसाफिर ने समंदर नहीं देखा। तो मैं जो इतनी सारी जो पेंटिंग्स हैं जिनको आज देख रहे हैं, ये आपका अलग संसार है, अलग दुनिया है। आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ वेरी स्पेशल काइंड ऑफ वर्ल्ड फॉर, एंड आई थिंक द गॉड हैज़ गॉट अ वेरी स्पेशल ब्लेसिंग्स एंड has specially blessed to you people that you are able to so much contribution to the society and make the people to cherish their dreams, to fulfill their dreams, and to see how what the world is. Thank you for giving me.
It is always a pleasure to reflect when you get some intuitive messages from the painting or prints. So whatever I am sharing with you is the message of these outstanding artworks displayed around. महाभारत में जब अर्जुन ने द्रौपदी को जीतना था तो जो मछली की आंख और निशाना लगाना था वो तेल में से देख के लगाना था। प्रिंट मेकिंग भी ऐसा ही है। You have to create a line somewhere else and that impression is taken somewhere else. And लाइन में रिदम और स्ट्रेंथ दोनों को मेंटेन करना, पावर एंड रिदम, that we see here is something very difficult to tame, because when you become powerful you lose the rhythm. To maintain the rhythm and power together is to tame the diverse forces which we see here. There was an Oxford scholar, Robert Burton. संजय जी, मैं आपको देख के अक्सर उसे याद करता हूँ। वो कहा करते थे, when we start appreciating good words that heal, that charms, we try to lose the negative words around. So when you churn good forms, you create a cathartic atmosphere for the society. The journal spectator may not be knowing the line, how to draw a line, but can gain the strength from a line displayed by an artist churning hard efforts. So these prints, we call it lithography, a very old technique, but for the first time I see such a vast range of those churned gems are being displayed here. I congratulate Mr. Bhim Malhotra, our chairman, who always try to capture any moment that can add volume to the city art atmosphere.
Gratitude indeed is the most beautiful of all human emotions. So let us be grateful to the people who make us happy. Well, they are the charming gardeners who make our soul blossoms. To keep up with this beautiful tradition, I request Mr. B. Malhotra to kindly come forward and present a token of our love and gratitude to our guest of honor, Dr. Anil Bansali. I also request Mr. Ravinder Sharma to join him in this beautiful tradition. I request our guest of honor, Dr. Anil Bansali. I now request Sir to kindly present a token of our love in form of a memento to our artist, artist Sanjay Kumar.